So retrieving your two body panels, exterior body panels, we're going to put them right side together. We're going to join them down the bottom here on this bottom seam. So I'm just going to grab a few clips and clip to hold. Now we're going to go over to the sewing machine and we're going to stitch this seam. Okay, so now I'm going to stitch my bottom seam. And I'm going to use a stitch length of 2.6 this time because I'm stitching on the foam and I find that it sometimes the stitches a bit smaller than what they're meant to be. So I increase it a little bit to compensate. Like that. Now we're going to go back over to the ironing board and we're going to press the seam open. Like that. So now that we've stitched our bottom seam, we'll just get rid of these extra threads. Like that. Now I'm going to press this seam open. First I'm going to run my fingers down there, and then I like to use a pressing cloth. I also like to give it a press from the right side. Next we need to retrieve our Decaville, the base stabiliser, and what we need to do is centre that sticky shiny side, glue side down over the center of our seam and just align that up, and we're going to fuse that into place. Now I'm going to go away to my press and do it there because I find that does a better job for me. I find it easier but you can do it with an iron. I suggest putting the pressing cloth over the top and then just pressing each spot and holding to fuse it, and then once you have fused it, allow it to cool for about half an hour before you move it. That way it'll stick really well and less inclined to lift back off again.